Gene drive research matters because the potential for addressing very serious problems that are hard to address in other ways. The possibility of eradicating malaria or dengue or other vector-borne diseases, or in the northeastern United States, Lyme, is something which has a lot of appeal.
Gene drive research for malaria is one of the potential tools to complement the existing tool. So in the last decade, there's been lots of progress. We used to have millions of deaths a year, and now we're a bit below 500,000. But the models and WHO perspective show that we cannot eradicate this disease without any new tools.
Islands, although they form around 5% of the land surface area of the Earth, you'll see that around 80% of all extinctions actually occurred there. So some of the aspects that we currently need to manage invasive species on islands, for example, is the use of pesticides to attempt to eradicate them. However, these have limitations. And we can't essentially utilise them in all the places that we wanted to be able to prevent extinctions on these islands. As such, we need new tools. Gene drives is one of the potential options that, if it was effective and safe and socially acceptable, could be one of the means essentially to be able to manage invasive rodents and other invasive species that are the main implicators for species extinctions globally.
So in this scenario that it's so complex, genetic control really may be a game changer. It's innovative. It involves genetically modify the mosquito, for example with a gene drive, and that really could make a difference because it's a control measure that it's unlike anything else, any of the other control measures that we use.
There's a lot of issues, insecticide resistance, drug resistance, and just more generally the difficulties to implement all the existing tools. So we need new tools, and gene drive can be one of them. It's not the silver bullet, but it is one of the possibilities to complement. And one of its advantage is that it's a long-term and potentially cost-effective tool. So you don't need to redeploy it constantly. So in terms of cost efficiency and sustainability, it really offers great potential.